National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Stephenson County until 11:30 p.m. At 10:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Somerset to Buena Vista, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, German Valley, Rock City, Red Oak, Buena Vista, Rock Grove, Onico, Orangeville, Red Oak, Alphawaukee, Winneshiek, Dakota Dorning Airport, and Lake Somerset. Take cover now.